ladies, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Regina and I am so happy to see you. Where has the time gone? Because we're practically in March, and it seems like it was just a few weeks ago that I was sharing my 2025 healthy hair goals with you. Time is moving way too fast. But speaking of healthy hair goals, so many of you awesome ladies put in the comments of my particular video your healthy hair goals. So let me know how everything is going. Give me an update if you would like in the comments. I think what I'd like to do at the end of March is give you an update. I've had a setback, I can tell you that, which I've shared before in a previous video. I am diligently trying to pre-poo. So I bought an oil, and y'all, that oil broke my scalp out so bad. It took me like 2 weeks to recover, 2 weeks and some to recover. So I got over that. But then the next thing was, which I've been doing okay with, it's the ponytails. My hairdresser encouraged me to not do ponytails because I was getting a thin spot. My hair was breaking off in the back where I wear my ponytails. So I think she told me, and I know several of you told me, ponytails are not bad, they're okay, but just move them around. Don't just wear it in the same spot all the time. So I've been doing pretty good with that. Still been rocking some ponytails here and there though. But for the month of March, I am all about moisture. We're still in winter right now, and my scalp it's reasonably okay, but I know it. I just feel like it could be more moisturized. I deep condition every week, but I really want to get that moisture in there so it can be shiny and healthy and not breaking off. You know, everything that moisture does good for our hair. So what I plan to do is every week in March, there are 4 weeks, and I post my videos on Friday. So every Friday in March, I'm going to be reviewing a different hair mask or deep conditioner. Now, I have 3 of the 4. I'm waiting on one more. I need to go pick it up. But let me show you the 3 that I do have. The first 2, I have these 3, one by Camille Rose, and then the other 2 are from Shea Moisture. So this one is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. I think this one has been around for quite a while, and I've used it before. It has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. So I'll be doing this on my hair, showcasing it on the first Friday in March. Then for the second Friday in March, I have the Shea Moisture 6 times moisture is what it claims. So that's why I picked this one. I don't know if this little label up here that says 6 times moisture is new or if they just recently put it on, but it's the raw shea butter deep moisturizing mask with sea kelp and argan oil. My hair likes argan oil. I have fine natural hair, like medium density, low density in some spots in the back, but my hair likes argan oil. It really just kind of gives it life and gives me some shine and some silkiness, and I'm excited to use it. This says it will moisturize and renew curly to coily hair. So week 2 will be the raw shea butter deep moisturizing mask by Shea Moisture. Yeah. Okay, and the third one is by Camille Rose, and this is the Black Castor Oil and Chebe Deep Conditioner. Chebe is like all over everywhere. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Chebe is everywhere. Chebe butter, shampoos, all that good stuff. But this is one that I purchased at CVS. Actually, I got all 3 of these on sale at CVS. And a really, really good deal on natural or curly hair products. And they seemed to all be natural hair products. I went down some of the other aisles and You spend $20, you get a $10 in extra care bucks, which is like CVS money. It's really easy to use. And I went down some of the other aisles where the L'Oreal is and the Garnier and the Nexus and all of those type products. And they didn't have the sale tags on them, only the Curly Girl aisles. And I wondered, I was messaging a viewer on my channel, so sweet and so nice. She showed me the products that she purchased from CVS after I shared the sale. And I told her I was wondering if this was CVS's way of acknowledging Black History Month. Maybe, maybe not. But it's ironic that it's only the curly hair, which is what I think the tag inside the store says, the yellow CVS tag, is that it's curly hair products. But anyway, who doesn't love a sale? And I got everything that I needed. I even got some things back here. The Camille Rose Guava Slip, and I also got the Dew Chief Rocker. This is a twist out with the Dew's Chief Rocker. The only thing I did different in this twist out is I didn't put perm rods on my ends. I'm giving them a break. I just let them air dry naturally. But so getting back to the purpose of this video, I wanted to let you know that this will be kind of like a moisture madness challenge. And, you know, coming out of winter, fall and winter, when the air is dry, I know for me, my skin and my scalp, which is also my skin, but become very dry, and I don't want my hair to be brittle and falling off. So we're doing moisture for the month of March. And if you have any of these products, please, you know, give me some comments and some feedback the weeks that I use these, because it would be so cool to do like a live video. I'm putting that out there, but I didn't say I was going to do it. But it would be so cool to do a live and we both apply our conditioner at the same time. So, but I'm excited about it. I'm excited about the rest of the year, quarters 2, 3, and 4 for 2025. As far as my hair, I've got some crochet braids coming up, and that will be like later in the summer, or when the weather gets warmer, I'll say. Not necessarily summer, but I love crochet braids. I've retained so much length with crochet braids. I haven't done them in a few years, but crochet braids are absolutely on my to-do list. And before that though, I think I may enjoy my hair straight 1 or 2 more times before I go hardcore, before I go ham with protective styles and crochet braids and all of that. But I just appreciate you ladies rocking with me. My channel has grown, and without you, you know, what would I be doing this for? And I like that we all have so much in common. I know I said once before, whenever you're at home in your bathroom late at night doing your hair, I guarantee you, you are not alone. Other sisters are up late at night in the bathroom doing their hair too. Oftentimes, you know, we have to get our self-care in when we can, and it may be late at night or early in the morning. But yeah, I love the sisterhood that I feel like I have with each of you. I appreciate every single comment and every single like, and I address them. I really do. I would love to come up with a name for us. I have a name in mind, but I want to make sure it's what I want. So anyway, join me for March Moisture Madness if you would like to. If you don't participate in like the actual using of the product, the week that I showcase it, and I'll let you know in advance. I'll put it in the description box as well. But even if you don't join in and style your hair, or you know, use these deep conditioners and masks, just join me and let me know what some of your favorite masks and deep conditioners are. And are they like drugstore brand or are they higher end? I think natural hair products have come such a long way, and you can get either or, drugstore or higher end. And I say drugstore / a beauty supply store. I get a lot of my products from the beauty supply store as well. Ladies, thank you for tuning in, and let's bring on March. We're going to get all this moisture and this goodness into all these hairs, mine and yours. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.